Cold temperatures tonight, no snow in the immediate future, and thankful that we're not dealing with these deeper shades of blue on Storm Fox right now, because look at that. That's some heavy snow still going on. New York City down to the nation's capital. And on top of that, it's blowing around. So you're getting these big, humongous 3 to 4 to 5 foot drifts depending on where they're at. But let's go a little home here and you'll see that absolutely nothing is going on across Northeast Ohio. So if you do have travel plans, at least driving wise across our state, not a problem tonight or tomorrow. High today, 27 degrees, a little bit below our normal of 34. Don't worry, we're actually going to be just a little bit below it tomorrow, but almost reach it. Some of us could hit 34 degrees tomorrow. So temperatures actually going to be trending up a little bit over the next couple of days. Headed out this evening, you definitely want to bundle up. Temperatures in the low 20s through the evening hours. You factor in the wind, it feels more like the low teens to single digits at times. Plus, clouds are clearing out, so that's going to aid the fact that it's going to get pretty chilly tonight with temperatures in the teens. We're at 23 right now in Cleveland. It is 22 Akron, Canton, 20 in Worcester, and 20 in Mansfield. So definitely a cold evening. How about Elyria? You're at 25. Barberton, you're coming in at 24 degrees, and Menor at 23. There's that big East Coast storm, this blizzard. It moves out of here, though, through the night and into tomorrow morning. So they're looking at lots of sunshine by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Same with us as that sun comes up. High pressure continues to filter on into our area. It's going to keep us dry. It's going to keep the clouds away for much of your day tomorrow. That we will see more in the way of sunshine than cloud cover. And that'll take us all the way into Monday before our next system arrives Monday night. So we got a good several hours here, or days really at that, where we're just very quiet in Northeast Ohio. That's a good thing, right? 17 degrees tonight, cold, partly cloudy. You'll definitely notice your heater going on, off and on once again tonight. 33 tomorrow, a mix of sun and clouds, seasonably chilly with winds out of the southwest at 10 to 15. So they'll pick up a little bit, but those southerly winds will eventually drive our temperatures up to 41 on Monday. Late Monday night after midnight, we'll likely see the rain moving in. Temperatures will be holding in the lower 40s through much of the night, and then we'll hit 38 as we head towards 7 o'clock in the morning. That's when a cold front moves in. Temperatures will drop from there. We'll change the rain over to snow. We'll have some lake effect snow showers on Wednesday, and then another little quiet spell until we get towards the weekend here. Another little brief chance of snow Friday morning. Otherwise, Saturday into Sunday, we're back into the mid-40s with a shot of some light showers throughout both of those afternoons. I think we dodged this one, right? I mean, it is just a mess out on the East Coast. For us, a quiet weekend. We're actually going to see some sunshine tomorrow, too, and 30s will return to the forecast. It will be a cold night, though. Temperatures dropping down in the teens. Our next round, it's not going to come at us as snow to initially start. It'll be rain. It'll switch over to a rain-snow mix. The wind will pick up, and then it'll eventually switch over to snow. But Tuesday, especially in the morning, could watch out for some freezing rain. That could be a problem maker Tuesday for the morning commute. So we're going to be keeping our eye on that pretty close. Now, the last week of January, not too cold at all. A couple of days I have at or above 40 degrees. Wait until you see this 8-day forecast here. So we are all quiet on Storm Fox. I do anticipate this tomorrow, and even your day on Monday. It's after midnight Monday where we'll likely see some rain starting to move in. East Coast still getting pounded pretty hard here with some heavy snow. Washington starting to taper off here, but you can see New York City still getting it. And Boston has about a half a foot of snow on the ground so far with this. We're snow free. We're just cold. Temperatures will be trending in the teens through the night tonight and to start off tomorrow morning. Temperatures all across the region not bad. We're in the mid-20s, and you're not seeing any big spells here where cold air is rushing in any place. I'm not expecting temperatures to get all that cold this week. No big Arctic blasts for us. Winds right now rather light, especially right along the lakeshore, though. That's where we're seeing a sustained wind of 10. Lorraine, don't pay attention to this. I do not think your wind chill is at 7 below at the moment. I'm thinking more like 7 above. But you can see single-digit wind chills all across the area. So it is definitely going to be a cold night. There goes that blizzard off the East Coast. Sunshine for them tomorrow. That's all thanks to high pressure pushing it out. Plus, this is our system as well. It's going to keep the clouds away. It's going to bring the sunshine throughout the whole entire day tomorrow. And eventually, It'll sneak on over towards the east coast, winds out of the south, and wait until you see these temperatures on Monday. We're actually going to be well above average. Right now we're at 25 degrees. Cleveland, Lakefront 26, Akron, Canton 16, Lorain, you're not at 1. Trust me, more like 11 degrees there. I think that is a little bit off there. 17 degrees tonight. Definitely a cold one, partly cloudy sky. Tomorrow, we're actually going to hit the freezing point, low 30s for most of us. Lots of sunshine expected. Winds will start to pick up in the afternoon out of the southwest at 10 to 15, but it's those southerly winds that will eventually drive our temperatures up into the low 40s on Monday. Now, Monday night, that's when I'm expecting our next system to be moving in at that point. It's at that point where we could possibly see that rain changing over to a rain-snow mix by Tuesday morning. This is your 7 o'clock in the morning temperature, 38 degrees, and will continue to drop throughout the day. So we could have some spots where we have some freezing rain. That's why I want to watch out for that one. Wednesday, some scattered lake effect snow showers. We're back in the
Third point, like, can you really tell the difference between 1 and 11?
No, you're right.
So you're
Lorraine,
fine.
trust me, you're
fine.
probably 11.
It's cold.
It's definitely not 1 degrees in Lorraine, that's for sure.
All right, thanks, Jen. Well.